Hello guys, I'm here with one of the official candidates of Mr. Friendship Philippines. I'm here with Melvin all the way from Talisay, Cebu. Ayan. Hi Melvin.
Hello po, Pageant Trend.
Ayan, sige. Batiin mo muna ang ating viewers.
Hello po mga viewers. Iniimbita ko po kayo pumunta bukas dito sa System Plus kung saan gagawin yung coronation night namin sa 24 po.
Ayan. Melvin, first time mo bang mag-join ng mga pageants?
It's not actually my first time. It's been my fifth time na po. Pero sa national pageant po, first time po.
Wow. So, fifth time mo nang mag-join ng mga local pageants?
Yes, yung
So, in
barangayan
Cebu
po.
City.
Mm-mm.
So, ano-ano yung mga sinalihan mo?
Yung latest na sinalihan ko pong pageant is Mr. of Filipinas Talisay. Kami po nilang Cebu City, si Vince, tsaka yung Danau po. Galing po kami ng Mr. Filipinas Talisay.
Wow.
At
Mr.
yun.
Okay. Lately, or that was 1 year ago?
Lately lang po. Yun,
2023.
yes, yung franchise po kasi yung management namin.
So, kabatch mo si Hans.
Si Hans.
Caron.
Siya po yung nanalo sa Talisay.
Ayan. So, how was your journey there so far?
The journey there so far is actually the best experience that I have in this pageantry world because I got to meet brothers and the camaraderie was so fantastic when it comes to the brotherhood.
And, ayun, who encouraged you to join Mr. Friendship Philippines?
The encouragement po na nakuha ko, kaya ako nag-join ng pageant na to is, first po is yung sarili ko. Kasi I'm the bata po before na weak-hearted boy na hindi masyado lumalabas, nahihiya sa camera, ganun. Pero na-realize ko po na pag-join po ng pageant o pag-join po ng mga makukuha ng patimpalak o mag-perform ka is meron po talagang growth at saka yung disiplina po talaga yung nakukuha mo sa pageant. Yun po talaga yung nai-excite ako. Kasi aside from growing from this pageant, you will grow as a person din po.
Ayun. So, nakatapos lang ng preliminary competition mo. How was so far?
So far, yung preliminary kanina, it's actually the best feeling that I have as well since I've been into walking and having this type of pageant, like we only expose through posing, checking our physique, and also our faces. So, sa question po na yun, yung kinaganda po ng preliminary is nakikita po talaga yung kisig, yung ano po kami sa camera. Kaya, kung ano po yung pagtanaw nyo sa live po namin kanina, is rini-review ko talaga yun. Kasi again, I'm excited on how I look on the stage. Yun po.
So, right after the pageant, you always evaluate yourself?
Yes, yun po. Evaluation pala. Yun yung correct word.
Rate yourself from 1 to 10. Saan ka doon?
So, I would rate myself as 9 out of 10 because I still have this this lack of siguro yung angulo ko sa every post ko kasi hindi ko pa yun kabisado. And siguro magiging 10 yun kapag na-correct ko na yun. Yun po.
How old are you?
I'm 23 last September 12 po.
Wow, belated happy birthday, Melvin. Ayan. So
Salamat.
what did you do during your birthday?
During my birthday, we had a church visit in Santo Niño. Tsaka after nun is celebrate kami sa mismong Talisay. Yun, naglechon.
How many siblings do you have?
Um, we're only two po.
Two. So are you the youngest or eldest?
I'm the eldest po.
How's the feeling of being an eldest of the family?
So, being an eldest of the family is quite challenging because you will be the breadwinner of the family. Sa'yo aasa yung parents mo at saka yung responsibility is napaka-challenging. Pero again, I didn't find that as a worst or weakness ko. I will find that as strength because dyan mo po makukuha yung hugot eh. Yung growth at yun, yung experience at challenge po talaga.
So what do you do prior of joining Mr. Friendship?
So, I'm a full-time BPO agent po ng Found Ever. Lately, I was promoted as a team leader ng Found Ever. And yun, hello po sa mga Found Ever dyan. Yes, lalo na sa RGC DDBU, Diane's unit. Hello po.
Alright. Thank you so much, Melvin. And any final message to your fans and supporters and to your families, of course?
Hello po again. I would like to invite you po sa upcoming finals namin tomorrow. I believe that's 8 ata or 7. Magla-live po yung Misters Friendship International Philippines sa Facebook po, sa page namin. Abangan niyo po yun.
Ayan. How about your co-candidates?
So sa mga co-candidates ko naman, best of luck na lang sa atin lahat. Alam ko, marami tayong mga preparations na ginawa talaga out of the stage, tsaka yung dito naman. So, best of luck lang sa atin mga brothers dyan. Yun.
One last question.
Yes po.
Describe your Mr. Friendship Philippines journey in one word.
In one word po, family.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Melvin, and best of luck.
Thank you, Pageant Trend.